Hello, my name is Andrew Parker, aka Abraca Andrew, aka Wolfella, aka Spider-Man. We are doing an underwater escape today. I've done two of these in the past. I've done a straitjacket and a handcuff. This time I'm doing both of them together. Hopefully, that's what we're working on. We've got to do a lot of practicing and prepping to make sure that I don't immediately die when I do it. So we're gonna practice and prep and get ready to do this video. Hopefully it'll be fun and at least semi-safe.
Right there? You gotta twist it.
Yeah, like that. There you go.
Okay, watch it.
And just like one click is fine. Oh, can you go grab me that paper clip?
Where is it?
It should be over there on the table. I forgot to make another one.
Mm-hmm.
I forgot once you're in a straitjacket, you can't do anything yourself.
Right.
And put that in my mouth. All right, so this is practice number one. I'm just gonna be like face down in the water because I'm in the shallow end just to practice. So. Gosh, I don't know if this is gonna happen. I really don't know if I can do this. All right.
Mm-hmm. Goodbye. How alive do you feel?
Not very.
Yeah.
I did okay. It took me way too long to get out of the straitjacket, and then the way the handcuff is on.
How close were you to get to
I was close, but we need to put the handcuff on the other way because the hole of it is on the bottom side. So I was trying to do like this instead of on top. So I probably could have done it if it was the other way.
How you feeling?
These always make you nervous. This one's making me a little more nervous just because it's both of them.
Mm-hmm.
And
how long can you hold your breath anyway?
I made a video about this, link to that right here. Over a minute. I'm above average, I think, but it's not like a super long time. And obviously that's gonna decrease when you're thrashing around trying to get out of a straitjacket.
How do you feel about this, Mr. Waffello?
Oh, I think it's lovely.
Oh yeah?
No, he's very talented. He's proven that he can do the other two, do them well. And so I'm anxious to see what he can do with this one. I think he can do it.
The real magic is the friends you made along the way.
It's taking me too long to get that off.
Ooh, I thought you did pretty good that time though.
No. Woo! I did it. I was like, whoa, where are you? Okay.
How close were you to being out of breath?
Pretty close. We're doing one more practice run. We're gonna do it with the bucket.
We need to add more drama.
Okay, tell him
Andrew,
now.
me and you need to argue about the video.
We need to argue about it.
Yeah.
Make it more like
Yeah.
people don't want me to do it.
Right. This video sucks. You're gonna get hurt.
No, I can do it.
No.
I'm brave.
You're not strong enough.
I'm not strong enough. What?
Interview that one. She almost didn't come down here because of
Oh no.
I don't know if that'll close. Where's the lid?
It'll stay.
Oh, does it need to close?
Yeah, I don't know that it's gonna float out of there.
Wait, let me check to make sure it's real. Okay, it's real. The danger increases.
Well, I might be able to rig it.
Will he get out of there alive? Who knows? Find out next time on Waffello. After I break his lens.
Okay, let's do it. Whoa, okay.
This bucket probably weighs
Safety precautions have been tested. They're not the best in the world, but
Doesn't that make it more
What?
epic?
I am your safety precaution.
exactly. Okay, so we are discussing how long I'm supposed to be underwater. We're saying a minute. I think the signal is.
I dropped the chain.
I dropped the paperclip.
I shot the sheriff.
Talk about search for that.
No,
Did not kill the deputy.
I think this should be a minute. till you come and get me. A minute.
Okay.
Or I'll have the straitjacket off so I can dab. If I start dabbing underwater, that means I'm about to die.
Wow.
Okay. That's gonna be a little harder to see, but
No, because I'll be working on the paperclip, and then I'm just gonna be like,
did you not let me look first? All right, stand by. That's close. Man, we had it just right. It took us forever. Dagnabbit! So close.
my emergency noodle. I'm not gonna drown.
You can,
Feel good noodle.
you can ride it like a horse.
I'm nervous. And then you can kind of do whatever you think looks good. You can like pan to the pool while I'm getting put in, or whatever. Ow! Jonathan, what up? He's currently placing the GoPro camera so the cameras that we have, show that one. We got one right here. We have 2 GoPros, one in the water that's just gonna sit on the bottom of the pool. And then we have the one that Jonathan's going to hold and film. And then this one's gonna be going too. So we got 4 cameras, 2 underwater, 2 above water. And I'm about to get put into this, blindfolded, and then it's go time. If Jonathan ever is satisfied.
Close enough.
Okay. Getting ready, all the cameras are going. My heart is beating really fast. What, Mom? Is someone waving something in front of me?
Maybe. Wait, let me get my Snapchat.
Your reaction's delayed. It's like after I was putting the GoPro directly in front of your face and I pull it away like 10 seconds later. And someone did putting something in front of your face.
Because I would see the light come in. How far away from the edge am I?
4 inches.
One more.
Uh,
Right there. Feel it?
Yeah. Try to put the bucket a little to my right or left so I don't fall right on it.
Yeah, I'm gonna need to put it to your right.
Yeah, you're going to the right. Film from the right. My right.
Okay.
Oh, on the other side of the pool, that's not the other GoPro.
Okay, well I'm gonna have to put this in and jump over there.
That's fine, that's fine.
I thought you were getting with it.
I got it, I got it.
I got it. Let me know when you're ready.
I'm ready.
Okay, I'm dropping.
Yep, drop.
3, 2, 1.
I'm holding it till you're ready.
You want me to grab it?
No, you're fine. Just get
Okay.
in position.
Alright, I'm ready when you are.
ready.
Okay, thank you. Give me a second. I gotta give me a second. Come on.
Take your time. Let me know if you need to get the bucket.
Trying to wait for my heart to chill out.
When you go down, just focus on the task.
Yep. All right, guys, that's the end of the behind the scenes. My ankle is really messed up. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it, but it's like all bruised and puffed up. You can kind of see it right there, but this whole area is just like really tender, and there's like an indentation and like a bump right there. So that's nice, but oh, it was fun. It was fun. Thank you guys for watching the behind the scenes. These videos are always kind of dangerous but fun to do, and they're a whole production, so I had some help. So that was definitely fun. We got all the B-roll, got all the footage that we needed, and I think it's gonna make a pretty good video. So make sure to go watch it if you haven't watched it. And thank you for watching the behind the scenes. Make sure to subscribe. Thank you so much, guys. Carpe diem, we to Esmono. Go have a great day. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.